What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? How are we doing? How are we doing? Quite a daily close today, guys. We're going to get into it. We're going to give you every little bit of it, man. We're going to give you every little bit of it. Super fantastic. Let's get right into the super chats. Ramona, she says, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, Ramona. Also, Ramona, quick question. Are you hosting the open mic tonight on the Patreon, or last time I think last time we spoke, you said that you were going to be able to host on Sunday instead of Saturday. So I don't know if you're doing it tonight or not. Let me know. Let me know. Big Mike, my brother, thank you so much. Hey, not as much as I appreciate you, man. I appreciate this whole community. Winning's what we do, guys. Winning is what we do. I'm excited for you guys. I'm excited for a lot of you guys who this is your first real altcoin season, who've been suffering and keeping the faith alive, man. Things are about to get fun for you, and you deserve it. You deserve every little bit of what's coming over the next couple of months. It's going to be glorious. Take it all in, guys. Absorb all of it. Take in all of the fun, all of the profits, all the euphoria. Take it in. Keep your emotions in check, because afterwards, it's going to be 3.5 more years of bear market again, okay? So enjoy it while it lasts, right? A 4-year cycle is essentially 3.5 years of boring, sideways, mind-numbingly bang your head against the wall, red garbage, followed by 5 months, 6 months of euphoria, and then it's over again, right? So Strawberry Dragon, Rob's Patreon group is the best knowledge in the last 7 months. Can't wait to start a fresh next cycle with you, Rob. You complete me. Hey, you complete me too. Thank you so much, Strawberry Dragon. Gamma Goddess, thank you, Rob. Let's get this money. There she is, Gamma Goddess in the house. Absolutely. Let's get that cheddar, baby. Let's get that cheddar. All right, so let's get into the chat a little bit, see what's going on out there, shall we? How's everybody feeling with that daily close, guys? We closed at just a hair over $119,000. Crazy, crazy. Here's the thing, though. I think that tomorrow is going to be red, right? Never trust a Sunday pump. Remember that, guys. I think we see a red day tomorrow, followed by another green week, breaking through 120,000, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, and continuing upwards, right? It's crypto week. There's a lot of anticipation in the air. Hopefully it's not a nothing burger and we can continue to the upside. Ramona, I actually got back early enough to host last night, but happy to do a couple hours tonight too. There you go. That'd be absolutely fantastic. And I didn't even know that you did last night. Well, thank you so much, Ramona. Thank you so much. Love our community. Absolutely. Gamma says, thank you, Ramona, for hosting and all you do. Yes. Ramona is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to make sure I get the mods on the channel a free t-shirt. So I'm going to need your mailing addresses on the Patreon. D-Worm, what's going on, my friend? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What do we got? What do we got? Ramona, thank you for all you do too. Gamma, absolutely. Gamma is like the police. She's the cop on the beat for the YouTube live stream, man. She keeps those spammers and those bots in check, man. John, I'm locked, loaded, and mentally prepared. There you go, man. Milk Money in the house. Happy Sunday. How about that BTC close? Man, absolutely fantastic. Twitch, who could have seen this coming? Who has two thumbs and could have seen this coming? This guy. What else do we got? Milk Money, double the likes for double the gains. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Nia, what's going on? Where have you been? Hey, Rob, try not to miss any content. Been traveling a lot, baseball and vacation for the past 4 weeks. Thank you for everything. Well, it's awesome to see you, man. I was missing you. I was like, we've been talking, and I'm like, where is Nia? And here she is. We missed you. It's awesome to have you, Nia. We love you. Chase, thoughts on Zebek's late push for daily weekly close? No. Zebek will probably pump tomorrow while everything else is red. Zebek tends to be inverse correlated with the market for some reason. Milk Money says, hit the like button, not the balls. There you go. Spuds, what's going on, man? Danny's in the house. Paul, good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. Guys, as always, make sure you're hitting the like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. It doesn't cost you anything at all. And it would be greatly, greatly appreciated, my friends. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys really love the new perks that we added over on the Patreon as well. We're going to be doing an exclusive live stream every Thursday. So that's going to be a lot of fun. CK, Future Millionaire. I can only choose one, DCA, Nadix, or Miria. Oof. I know which one I would go with, brother. Go Time, what's happening, man? Don't forget to hit the likes button on the way in. Absolutely. David, hey, Rob, enjoy listening to you every day. Click the likes. When are the special deals on Decent? 23rd, I believe they go live on the 23rd. I will be doing a video breaking it down on the 21st. So, Mario, everybody throw your hands in the air like you just don't care. What's up, Senior Rob and Weirdos? Good to see you, brother. David, I need a good pump on ACH and Swift. Can't wait for everything else to be green. Yeah. Well, hey, man, it's all just going to continue. It's all going to continue. Crypto J505, what's up, man? Love these green days. Hell yeah. Carlos, what's up, man? Rob, how are you, sir? When do you see Swift breakout point? Soon, man. Soon. Everything's breaking out, man. There's going to be days where some things break out and some things are just a little green, and then then they'll switch places and stuff. So like, don't sweat it, man. Don't sweat it. Babes, my dude, what's happening, my brother? Charmander's in the house. There he is. First Pokemon of the day. Easy, yo, Rob, got that alpha, still flexing on me, son. Absolutely, brother. I got to be flexing on you, right? Smash that thumbs up, everyone, says Charmander. Jas, hello, Rob. XLM doing so fine. Enjoying your content daily. Thank you so much for being here, man. Thank you so much for being here. Carlos, 3.5 years of suffering, but 3 to 5 months most that can change your life forever. Absolutely. Life on Mars. Appreciate you, Rob. I appreciate you too. Strawberry Dragon, we have the best community with the best leader, Rob. His crystal ball. There you go. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Oh, we got more super chats coming in here. What do we got? Ramona. I filled out the test form. Please see notes. Yeah, I caught your message. I haven't had a chance to reply to it yet. I saw it. I just wanted you to fill it out as a test. So yeah. But it's live now. So what do we got? Dejar, what's up, man? Mamo is spiking. You missed out. Hey, man, they're not like Pokemon. You can't catch them all, man. You can't catch them all, right? Some things are gonna pump, and you're not gonna hold it, right? I don't sweat it. I don't sweat it. Like I've said before, man, crypto is like standing at a bus stop, right? If you're standing there, if you miss the bus, guess what? Another one's coming around the corner in 10 minutes. There's always another bus. So non-emotional here. Non-emotional here. Isaac, my dude, I'm not balling yet, so this super chat is just the beginning. Hey, I appreciate you, brother. Isaac, you've been with me a long time, man. You've been with me a long time. Ride or die, brother. Ride or die. Absolutely. What do we got? What do we got? LM says, my decent wallet comes in tomorrow. Nice. There you go. I think I'm going to order a couple more decents, to be honest with you. I need a couple more. I can never have enough self-custody wallets, right? I can keep everything departmentalized and everything that way. Save Rob's Nards. Hit the likes. Yeah, what are we at? 291 likes. We have 93 or 291 people watching. 93 likes. Let's get to 200 again, guys. Let's get it to 200 again. We got this, man. We got this. Apprentice Alec, do you think ZBEC's going to go down and need to pick up some more? I honestly think that ZBEC's probably going to, if ZBEC has always been inverse correlated to the market, like I said, so it's not guaranteed, but I wouldn't be shocked if the market is a little red tomorrow and ZBEC is pumping tomorrow. That wouldn't surprise me at all. Blessings, John. Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. Ramona says, hey, Sharon. Naya, go time. Exactly. Alex, what's up, man? Dang. And I thought my XLM was sold all my XRP and XLM because it seems like XCN is next. There you go, man. There you go. Ben, will Jake be the snake or anaconda this November? TNT, what's going on, man? Alex, geez, don't you get in what? Geez, don't you get in Canada? Fedwire live July 14th, right? Yeah, I'm a little bit. How do I word this? I'm a little bit worried about a lot of people in crypto with that going live with the ISO 200.2.2. Because a lot of people, I think, are expecting some sort of moonshot that day or something. And it's usually because of content creators feeding them that stuff. I really don't think that the ISO coins are going to pump. Hey, I hope they do. Don't get me wrong. I just think it's going to be kind of a nothing burger, right? Kevin, ZBEC will do what ZBEC wants to do, charting its own path. There you go. Mike, nice to see green across the portfolio. Thanks for keeping me calm, cool, and collected. No problem, man. Sharon, what is ZBEC up to this evening and tomorrow? Are we going down or little bump pump? I like those little bump pumps, right? I think, like I said, I think that it's going to be green tomorrow and the market will be red. I hope I'm wrong. I hope the whole market just keeps running tomorrow, but I kind of feel like we're going to see another fake out Monday, a little bit of a bear trap, right? What a week. Tomorrow, CPI, Clarity Act, Genius Act, Antitrust, SEC case. Yeah, yes, what the heck? Yeah, it could be huge, man. Could be a perfect storm. Charmander says, got to catch them all. TNT tariffs, yes. Ben, I like big bucks, and I like big bucks, and I cannot lie. DeFi degens can't deny. What's up, Rob? Always keeping up with the content, even though I missed the live streams. Yes, you got to be here more often, my friend. Got to be here more often. XLM, 51 cents. Yeah, XLM is in like beast mode right now. It woke up and chose violence today. H-bar is pumping really hard today too, though, right? H-bar is up 26.6%. You love to see that. Hugo, Rob, giving us the cheat codes to be real. There you go, man. Exactly. I got the fries that'll cross your eyes. Like I said, man, I've been telling you guys that from the beginning. I got the fries that'll cross your eyes. Venom, Jasmine steady. Yeah, Jasmine is up again today. Nice looking chart. K-Rock Crypto, take a look at Algorand. Keeps going. Yeah, Algo, one of my favorite layer ones. Absolutely, man. I am a big Algo guy, 100%. I was accumulating Algo en masse when they lost their top TVL provider in like the end of 2022, I think it was, in the summer. And everyone was calling it a dead project and stuff. It dropped down to like 8 cents. And man, I scooped up a ton. Absolutely. I love Algorand. Big Botto, wow, look at XYO. Yeah, XYO's beast mode right now as well. I caught XLM at 22 cents. I'm up 150%. There you go, man. Congratulations, man. Congratulations, Mike. Hey, Rob, where do you see XLM going? It might finally be in profit. I mean, it's going to be somewhere in that dollar range somewhere. Ray, I see money in the future. Hell yeah, you do. Paul, Robert, received my decent wallet too. Nice. There you go, man. There you go. I'm trying this new Celsius energy drink. Tastes like ass. Sugar-free, flavor-free, right? All right, we're caught up in the chat, guys. Let's get into the news that we have to get into today. Everything's looking good. Jack Sparrow says, what's up, Rob Father? As a professional wrestler, do you like UFC? I used to like UFC. The thing is, you know what? The problem with UFC is that, understandably, these guys' careers don't last very long. So it seems like every month, it's a new list of names. It's like a new list of popular fighters. It's hard to keep up after a while, right? Like, you can't actually be a fan of someone for a long period of time because they retire, so they make their money, they retire, right? And I mean, I understand they take a beating, right? So I get it. I'm just saying it makes it hard to kind of stay on top of it, right? When you're limited for time. Alex, try Rev 7 drink. Yeah, I'll have to give that a shot, man. What's that taste like? It tastes like this. It tastes like this. Oh, you can't even see it. It won't pick it up. My camera won't pick it up. It tastes like this. Okay, let's get into some of the news here, guys. Can Bitcoin break $120,000 tonight? Sevilla brand is a really good sugar-free drink. Cream soda is my favorite. What is this brand? This is Celsius. It's not great. It's not great. Big Botto, Hawaiian Shave Ice flavor, hands down, best energy drink. I prefer my Monster Energy drinks, but I'm trying to quit them, right? I'm trying to quit them. Okay, so let's see what we got in the news today, guys, shall we? But before we do, as always, a quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallets. Not your keys, not your coins. Simply use our link down below, guys. Get yourself a fantastic deal. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it off exchanges in your own self-custody. You can swap on there, take profits on there. You can even stake your crypto and gain interest. Check it out today. Again, use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. EZ says, "Where's D's nuts when you need them?" Yeah, D's nuts ain't been very generous lately. D's nuts has not been showering everybody with with that golden shower of membership, so to speak, right? So yeah. All right. What is in the news today? Check this out, guys. Check this out. Liquidation bloodbath. As Bitcoin smashed through 119K all-time high, over 123 million in shorts got wiped in 24 hours. Kaylee? It's an inside joke if you're new here. D's Nuts is actually the name of somebody in the chat. So, just so you know. BTC Bears took the hardest hit with 34 million liquidated. Oof. Big short squeeze happened today, guys. You love to see it. I would not mess with leverage. Would not mess with leverage, especially right now. Michael Saylor back in action. Remember last week, guys, we covered a story that Strategy had stopped purchasing Bitcoins, and for some reason it made the news, so we covered it. Well, he's back, baby. Michael Saylor, prominent proponent of Bitcoin and the chairman of MicroStrategy, now known as Strategy, has signaled a potential new Bitcoin acquisition following a brief hiatus in the company's cryptocurrency buying spree. This move underlines the ongoing, I get the hiccups, interest from large institutional players in the cryptocurrency space. Despite the volatile market conditions that characterize the digital asset industry, Saylor's continued Bitcoin commitment, MicroStrategy, under Saylor's leadership, has not made a Bitcoin purchase in approximately 1 week. A pause that has sparked discussions among cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors. The company, known for its aggressive Bitcoin acquisition strategy, last disclosed a substantial purchase of 301 Bitcoin at an average price of approximately $19,851 per coin. What? They bought 301 Bitcoin at an average price of 19,000. That's got to be a typo, because there's no freaking way in hell that Michael Saylor bought 301 Bitcoin for $19,000. That didn't happen. That must be a typo of some sort. Cumulatively, investing about $6 million, this acquisition brought the firm's total holdings to a staggering 130,000 Bitcoin, reinforcing its status as one of the largest institutional holders of cryptocurrency. But here's the thing I would add to that, guys. Technically, this week, I bought more Bitcoin than MicroStrategy did. Just putting that out there, right? Ben says, let's get to 200 likes so Bitcoin can continue to rise. Mark says, they buy when it's high and they have more credit available. Should be 119. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. What do we have? 326 people watching and 116 likes. Guys, come on. We got to do better than that. We can get to 200 likes, can't we? Help a brother out, man. It's the HBO special tonight. Let's continue with the news. David, good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Market impact and investor sentiment. The anticipation around MicroStrategy's next steps could significantly sway market sentiment and influence Bitcoin's price trajectory. Institutional investments, like those made by MicroStrategy, are often viewed as endorsements of cryptocurrency's viability as a long-term investment. These moves are particularly scrutinized amidst crypto market fluctuations, which can be precipitated by various factors, including global economic conditions, regulatory news, and changes in investor sentiments. Saylor's hint at buying more Bitcoin may thus be the key catalyst to the market, potentially driving other investors to follow suit. The crypto market has historically responded to major investment announcements with increased trading volume and occasionally significant price adjustments, and institutional players continue to express confidence in Bitcoin and potentially other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. The broader sector might see enhanced stability and maturity, attracting further investments from both retail and institutional entities. Furthermore, given MicroStrategy's persistent investments, even during market lows, Saylor's latest tease is likely to be watched closely by crypto markets. So Saylor could start next week with a big purchase of Bitcoin, which could kick off crypto week. Absolutely fantastic. Amazing Coins, what's going on, man? Hey, Rob, thanks for getting back to me today. Really appreciate everything you do. Remember, everyone, smash the like or you will regret it. Yes, absolutely, brother. Absolutely. And no problem, man. I'll always get back to you. You know that. I got your back, man. I got your back. All right. What else do we have? A little bit You must have privately bought with a trade or something. Even over the OTC desk, man, you still can't buy Bitcoin. Yeah, you buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price OTC, but not $19,000. That's not the case, man. Right now, here, let me look this up. I'll tell you right now. Check this out. Check this out. 1 second. How much? I will tell you right now why that is not possible. Right? So right now, just give me a short answer here. Holy smokes, man. Right now, it costs about $48,000 for the miners to mine one Bitcoin. That's the cost right now. Oh wait. That's the cost of the electricity. Sorry. It actually costs about $107,000 for solo miners in the U.S. to mine one Bitcoin. $107,000. So even if the miners are selling OTC right now, and Saylor's buying it OTC, there's no way he's buying it for $19,000 when it's costing the miners $107,000 to mine one, right? Yes, OTC is over the counter. So OTC is basically where whales and like Bitcoin whales or crypto whales, because a lot more than just Bitcoin sold OTC. But so crypto whales and miners, they sell their Bitcoin OTC, which means over the counter, which is basically just a little bit cheaper than the spot price, the market price of Bitcoin, right? For example. And they do that for a couple of reasons. One, the people sell it OTC for a little bit cheaper because they want to offload fast, right? It's a quick way for them to offload and get the cash and get out, right? First of all. Second of all, the reason that people buy it OTC is obvious. People like Michael Saylor, they get it a little bit cheaper, and when they buy it below spot, right, then it doesn't affect the price of Bitcoin itself. That's why when you see like Michael Saylor purchased 301 Bitcoin today, the price doesn't go up because of the buying pressure, because he bought it below market value OTC. So basically, if Bitcoin right now is $119,000, it costs $107,000 to mine one. They're probably selling them OTC somewhere around like $114,000 or something like that, right? Somewhere in the middle is where they'll sell it OTC. So that's why that happens. Miners are still in profit. Whales can dump faster. Institutions and other whales can scoop it up cheaper, right? So that's what OTC is. Sounds like it's Strategy's average. No, their average is way higher than that. What is cost average on BTC? I'll find out right now what their cost average is on Bitcoin. MicroStrategy's cost right now, average cost on Bitcoin is $66,384. So yeah. So there's no way he bought it for $19,000. My crypto selling plan is run. This run, I will sell 25% XRP bag. There you go. Rob, when do you think Swift will be above 10 cents? Soon, hopefully. Mark, 60K. Yeah, Mark knows. There you go. So Attack the Mountain says, so he can't just buy from Joe Schmo in a return. Well, here's the thing. You could buy it peer-to-peer, but institutions like Strategy are not going to go to individuals to buy it. They're going to use a professional OTC desk to purchase it because it's got to go on their books, right? So, yeah. Okay, where else? Oh yeah, so Judge Torres' role ends in Ripple lawsuit amid appeals. What's this all about? Judge Torres ruling matters due to its potential impact on Ripple's market position and regulatory compliance. Judge Annalisa Torres has issued a final ruling in the Ripple SEC case, delivering significant financial and regulatory consequences. Her decision includes a $125 million penalty for Ripple, signaling a landmark moment in cryptocurrency law. Despite CEO Brad Garlinghouse's suggestion of potential settlements, Ripple has not formally dismissed its appeal. Similarly, the SEC has not initiated its appeal withdrawal process. Both steps are crucial for the conclusion of this case. So Brad Garlinghouse said like 2 weeks ago that both Ripple and the SEC were going to be withdrawing their appeals, and neither party has withdrawn their appeal yet. XRP witnessed a recent 6% price surge spurred by speculation about the potential appeal withdrawals and a resolution to the lawsuit. However, other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, remain unaffected by the ruling. XRP is up 3.5% on the day. AZ Marine, what's up, man? Do you think XRP will go above 5 cents? XRP? You mean $5? Because XRP is already above 5 cents. Mark, I'm totally exiting the market at some point, making sure to hold that stable for the bear. There you go, man. LM, will it be easy to sell on Decent Wallet? It won't. There's a swap on there, so you can just swap right into stablecoin. You'll be all right, man. You'll be all right. What else do we have? Yes, Peter Schiff, the guy who just can't take an L. AZ Marine, I do think it will pass $5. Maybe, I think closer to $6 is where it's going to end up. Bitcoin supply is meaningless, says the man who doesn't know anything about Bitcoin. Gold advocate Peter Schiff has dismissed Bitcoin's 21 million supply as an arbitrary construct, arguing that the cryptocurrency's perceived scarcity is an illusion. Yes, the fact that there's only 21 million, there can only ever be 21 million, that's an illusion. The longtime Bitcoin critic suggested that changing the denomination of 21 million coins to 21 billion wouldn't affect the underlying economics. You can't, Peter. You cannot change the denomination of Bitcoin from 21 million to 21 billion. It's not possible. That's the point. He says, what if Bitcoin supply was 21 billion? Yes, and if and buts were candy and nuts. Take your shit in one hand take your hopes and dreams in one hand and take a shit in the other, and let me know which one fills up first there, Peter Schiff. Redefining each Bitcoin as 100,000 Satoshis, not 100 million, keeps the Satoshi supply the same. Would it still feel scarce? So you could divide the Satoshis into as many as you want. There would still only be 100 million. That doesn't change the max supply. It doesn't increase the max supply. Any thoughts on Nadix? Custom crypto. Nadix was a gem we got into over on the Patreon like 8 months ago, man. And yes, we're still bullish on it. We've already made a fortune on it. But yes, if you want to get in early on those kinds of projects, get over to the Patreon, man. We're actually in accumulation mode on another one, another micro cap similar to that market cap when it got. I think we got into Nadix at like a $5 million market cap, maybe less. Robert, hey Rob, is BTC going bearish due to CPI reports? No, I think tomorrow's going to be red just because you don't trust a Sunday pump, right? Cody, thank you so much for the super sticker, my friend. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you, man. Okay, so yeah. So, I mean, Peter Schiff doesn't know what the hell he's talking about, right? Him and his what ifs. Peter Schiff is trying to scare people away from Bitcoin because he wants people to buy gold because all of his money is in gold, right? He's no different than a Bitcoin maxi trying to tell you not to buy an altcoin because it doesn't pump their bags. It's no different, right? He wants everyone to buy gold so his bags go up. Bottom line, right? He's pissed off. He didn't get into Bitcoin early, and now he's got nothing to show for it, right? It's the same thing that Larry Fink was doing a couple of years ago. Larry Fink was bashing Bitcoin and stuff like that. Now, all of a sudden, it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Why? Because he had the opportunity to fill his bags, right? Funny how that works. Funny how that works. Okay. Well, we only ended up getting to 138 likes, guys. But listen, I got to get ready to do a... actually, no, Ramona's hosting tonight. Guys, get over to the Patreon. Ramona's hosting an open mic night tonight. How's the Russell? Yeah, okay, I'll look at the Russell for you. I could do that. Russell. Look at that breakout on the Russell. A little bit of a correction today, but look at that breakout over the 200 though, man. Absolutely amazing. This is probably going to spike to the upside even higher. Probably Tuesday, Wednesday. I think this is going full send, man. Yo, buy both, then profits on the crypto run into gold, silver, and real estate. I'm a silver bug. But just because I love gold and silver doesn't mean I would tell everybody else that Bitcoin's a bad purchase, right? Thank you again, Cody. I appreciate you, my dude. I appreciate you, man. I love seeing those nice little super stickers, my friend. You are the man. If that's the case, he's super greedy as gold has been hitting. Yeah, oh, of course he's super greedy. Of course he's super greedy. 100%. All right. Yeah, so Russell's looking good. All right, guys. Open mic night tonight. Get over to the Patreon. Also, if you've never been to an altcoin season, guys, and you need help navigating this space and getting out of it with your profits intact, we will help you design your portfolio, design an exit profit-taking plan, teach you how to roll profits from one project to the other, and so much more, guys. Now is the time to get the help that you need before this thing, not before, it's already started to take off. We're going to have a red day tomorrow. That is your chance, guys, to scoop things up. We're going to show you how to handle this. We're going to show you how to get out of this market with your wealth intact. We're live over there every day, educational content, daily crypto picks, microcap gems, live streams, everything you need, all the tools you need to succeed in crypto, guys. Help me help you. All for just a little more than the price of a Happy Meal. So get over there today, guys. Check it out for yourselves. The link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. Kevin says, our swing is on a big run. Oh, yeah, she's starting to run. She's starting to go. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. We got an active swing trade happening right now over on the Patreon as well. AZ Marine says, helping the coworker that bought XRP at $2.30. Yeah, probably about $5.50, $6 is probably where I'd pull the pin personally. Not financial advice. Cody, Patreon fire. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Attack the Mountain. Thanks, Rob. Patreon is great. Sign up. It's worth it. Yeah, guys, listen, the profits you make over there are going to pay your membership off 100 times over. Check it out today, guys. Link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys in the next one. God bless.